Hey guys, how you doing today, man? It's your boy Marlon and I'm a little crazy. So I'm gonna give you some sounds of animals and tell me if you think I did a good job on it. I grew up in a country. I used to raise anywhere from birds, pigs, chickens, goats and cows. I have dogs and cats and I'm gonna make some sounds of them today and you're gonna tell me if I did a good job on them. I might forget some of the sounds that I can make, but I'll try to remember them. Alright, the first one I'm gonna give you is the sound of the cow. Here's a cow. Moo. 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 Here's the sound of the goat now. Meh. Meh, 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 meh. Here's the goat now when he's under distress when he can't find his young one. Meh, meh. Alright, here's the sound of a rooster. Okay, here's another sound. Here's a sound of a dove. Alright, here's the sound of a dog. I'm gonna do a dog howl. I know I can do the dog howl real good, but tell me what you think. Here we go. And then I'll give you the dog bark. I'll bark like a smaller dog first. Okay, this is the sound of a bigger dog. Okay, here's the sound of a really aggressive dog, like a pit bull. I'm not saying they're aggressive, but you know, like the deep from the gut coming up. All right, hear this now. That's the sound of the dog. Let's see if I have one now. This is a sound of a horse. Let's see if I got this one good. My throat kind of messed up with this one, but let's see. I don't know if that one was real good. Alright, let's see what else I got. Here's a sound of a pig. Let's see what else I got. Oh, come on, boy. Figure them out. Oh, here's the sound of a cat. I'm really good at this one. Here we go. Here's the sound of a cat. No, my cat is at my foot, so you might hear him too. Meow. Okay, I'm gonna give you the sound of a cat now when they're fighting. Here we go. I'll show you my cat. Come here, boy. This is my big boy here, Nanook. Look at that camera, Nanook. Meow, 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 meow. And Nanook is on there like, hey, say hi to the camera, boy. Yeah, he likes everything, man. When this cat see me open up a can of tuna fish, he's all over it. Alright, guys, if you like this video, let me know what you think. I know you're probably gonna think I'm crazy, but I'm not really. I just love animals, and I grew up around animals from I was a kid, and I was practicing the sounds off them when I was a little growing up when they make the sounds. Alright, if you like, please leave a comment. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Peace out, guys.